Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to bakery classes. Today menu we are going to do is one is clover leaf rolls, which is of American origin. Stuffed garlic bread, which is of Domino style. Today we are going to make, like it is a commercial bread also we can say. And third one is herb soft roll. Herb soft roll, little twist I'll give you with the application of stuffing in herb soft. Clover leaf rolls resemble clover leaf which has three lobes. The plant which will look as a three lobes in a circular form of flower design, and which is of origin of American. Today the recipe is refined flour 165 grams, milk 100 ml, sugar 11.5 grams, salt 1 gram. You can take GSM margarine or butter 22.5 grams. Fresh yeast or instant dry yeast. If you are taking instant dry yeast 4.5 grams, and if you are taking fresh yeast 11.5 grams. I'll take the mixing bowl, sieved flour, add yeast, sugar and salt. Start mixing the dry ingredients using dough arm. It looks like this. Start with medium speed. After ingredients of dry ingredients mixed properly in a planetary mixture, I am going to add liquid, which is milk. Today clover leaf rolls is a rich dough. Adding milk and butter. You can see the dough is leaving the sides of the dish, planetary mixture. Now I am going to add butter. I don't have butter today, so I am alternatively adding margarine. Continue mixing until the fat infuses into the dough properly and it leaves the sides of the dish. Now the dough is done. As it is leaving the sides of the dish, I am going to switch off the planetary mixture from the bowl, the dough, and before that giving resting, just lightly grease it. Before I rest it, always try to use your palms with this to knead the dough and make it in a round shape to give proper resting. And just covering the dough with bowl. Clover leaf rolls, use muffin mold. Muffin mold will give you the proper shape of the clover leaf rolls. Okay, so this is the ideal one to give the shape of the clover leaf rolls properly. So I am just greasing with oil. Clover leaf rolls, let me check whether proving is done. Yes, the proving is done properly. Now give me the knockback to the dough and put back the dough into the center of the clover leaf rolls. Let us check the total yield of the dough before I divide the dough into each 12, 12, 12 of 3 loaves. So 12 into 3, 36 grams in each clover leaf row. So total 338 yield of the dough. Divide the dough into 36 grams first. Clover leaf rolls I have divided into 36 grams, and the number of portions we got is 9 portions into 36. Okay, now again you have to divide the dough into 12 grams each of each dough. So this is 36 grams, I have to divide into 12 grams. So make 3 lobes like a flower shape and make in a circular motion this way. Make sure no cracks on any side of the dough. When it proves properly, you can see the proper shape of the clover leaf loaf. And simple, after inserting the 3 equal shapes of the loaves, 12 grams, 12 grams, 12 grams in one muffin mold, just press it and you can see the lobe shape of the clover leaf. Now let us prove it for further intermediate proving and final proving. And I'll divide the remaining doughs also in similar fashion. I have done divided into 3 equal parts of 12 grams each in each mold, and you can see I am just pressing to give the shape of the clover leaf, and just keep this dough for further fermentation at warm place. That is, I am going to keep on top of the oven. Proving is done, final proving. Before it goes into the oven properly, and you can see the shape, the 3 lobes. So this resembles a clover leaf. The plant. Egg wash is done properly. Now I am going to bake either 180 degrees or 200 degrees. So if you are baking at 200 degrees, it should be 15 minutes for baking time inside the oven. This timer is done. So let us check the clover leaf rolls. Yes, it is golden in color and it is ready to remove from the oven. Apply lightly oil wash, fresh oil wash on top of the clover leaf rolls, and leave it resting on cooling rack for 10 to 20 minutes before you serve the bread rolls. It is used as a soup accompaniment or as also a main course dish.